Okay, to start out with our negative space drawing, we're going to place our hand down anywhere you want to. I'm going to choose this left side here, and then I'm going to take a piece of chalk and I'm just going to outline and trace my hand. I bet a lot of you have already done this before. Pretty easy to do. Just take your time and do it. This doesn't have to look beautiful. Right now we're outlining our positive space, which is our hand. It's a positive, something that you can actually touch. And then what we'll do is we'll probably flip the paper around a little bit, find another space to put in my hand down and draw that. So I'll right about here. It's okay if you overlap. It's actually kind of cool if you do. And then once again, just trace. I use a different color on this and I can kind of tell which hand is which. You can do that if you'd like, or you can use the same piece of chalk. That's okay too. We have that one, and we've got a lot of empty space over on the left side. So let's turn that around and then put another hand in there. And then I think that should be enough if we get that in there. I'll take my hand and I'm going to overlap a couple of the other fingers. Trace that out. And with some of you, if you have smaller hands, you can use a couple more. My suggestion would not to be too many overlapping pieces. There we go. So we've got, now we're looking at the negative space. This is a space that you can put your fingers through. It's air. Anything that you can't physically touch, that's a negative space. All of these spaces here. So what we're going to do that is we're going to take another piece of chalk, different color, and we're just going to fill that negative space in. So I'll try to speed this up here a little bit, just like we've done in the past. Make it a lot easier so we don't waste time, but you can still see what I'm doing. All right, kind of finish that up. And now I will probably want to smooth out the drawing by taking the tip of my finger and smoothing it out just like we do with shading with pencils. You can do that with chalk as well. Just use your finger and push hard, push down and rub it all down. Makes it look smoother and kind of much neater. And the last thing that we want to do is we want to erase those lines that are in the fingers, those overlaps. We don't really want to have those in there because this is all about a negative space drawing, so we don't really want to pay attention to what's in the hand area, the positive area. We want to kind of look at the negative area. And that's what makes it a negative space piece of art. We'll erase the rest of those. It looks like I forgot one little finger there, but then that's how you do it. That would be our negative space drawing, or in this instance, a chalk picture, chalk artwork.